What's going on, everybody? So I'm out here in Point Hache. It's late evening. Gonna go see if we can find a couple redfish. I got 3 poles with me. I got a top water. I got one with this jig head and a deadly dully, and I got the other one with a double rig. So I'm gonna go see if we can find something. See if we can catch a couple redfish. If this is your first time here, do me a favor. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Hit that subscribe button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And I hope y'all enjoy. Oh, I landed right on one. He's got it. What is that? A needlefish. Cast it right on top of him. We don't want him. Get out of here. Look at him. Little stinky needlefish. Aw, I just threw him in the water and caught him again. I couldn't do that if I tried. Make sure he didn't mess my string up. They sure do stink. Got something. Might have foul hooked something. Trout. Yep, trout. Oh, that one a redfish. This one's too little. Little trout. But they had a redfish right there. Thought I had a fish. I do have a fish. Thought I had something. I was like, wait a minute, that don't feel right. Little rat red. Check them out. Ah, I had another one. Had another one. That one hit like a bass. He just picked it up and was swimming with it. There we go. There we go. That's a good one. Oh, no. I lost a nice one. Got him. Another rat red. I want the one that I just lost. Little babies. Got him. Got him. Another little one. Oh wait, what we got going on? I'm twisted up. I'm twisted. What's going on? Something's happening. What's going on with my reel? I think something just happened to my reel. Another rat red. What's going on? Did my reel just break on me? Alright, y'all, well, that's going to be the end of the video. Just wanted to come out to make a quick video. Caught a few fish, didn't get any keepers, but it was still fun. So I'll see y'all next time. Peace.